Hey guys, we're here with another video. We're doing fireworks this time. Fireworks this time, here we go. Oh! Holy cannoli! Holy moly! Boom! Woo! Woo! Holy! Here goes another one. Oh! Here comes another one. Oh, that was small. Oh! Already, oh, no! Okay, here comes another one, guys. Here comes another one. Boom! And it goes... Oh, no! Oh, we got red, we got red, we got red, we got red! Oh, no! Oh, we got blue. We got green, we got yellow. Oh, no! Woo! This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Oh! 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 Woo! Holy cannoli. Nah! We got some more, we got some more, guys. Boom. Oh, we got small. Oh, we got big. Oh, nah. Okay. We're getting ones. We're getting ones. We're getting just singular ones. Which is crazy. Alright. Already. Oh, no. Okay, that was like yellow and red. Oh. Oh. Oh, nah. Nah. We're getting good ones of this. Boom. Boom. Oh, it's red and green. Boom. And then we got boom. Oh. Boom. Woo! Who's another one? Boom. Here comes another one. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, here comes another one. Boom. Nah. Oh, nah. Boom. Oh, that was red and green. Oh, nah, 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 I do not recommend that part. I do not recommend that part of headphones. Because that was loud. Alright, boom. Jale boom. Super Mario. Boom. Oh, that was jam trash color. Get it. Boom. Sala boom. Oh, we got more. Oh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Guacamole. Oh no. Woo! Okay, this is actually so cool. Oh, here comes a special one. Boom. Small one. Oh no. Boom, boom. Woo! Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nah, that was Oh, okay, wait up. Hold up, whoa, wait. Okay, wait, hold on. Let it cook. Let it cook, let it cook. Holy camole. Oh, got green. Got green. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, that's crazy. Boom. Boom. Got boom. Boom. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, nah. Woo. Boom. Oh, we got flashing lights. Holy camole. Oh, no. Holy camole. Oh, we got green ones. That was small. Okay, wait. Let them cook, let them cook, let them cook.